So what makes Cakeflix different is the fact that we release regular content every single week, and we've done that now for over 12 years.
So of that regular content, we have over 100 artists from all over the world, different skill levels, from cupcakes, sugar flowers, chocolate work, we've got baking, you name it in the cake world and the sugar world, it is on Cakeflix.
One of Cakeflix's biggest achievements is that we're 6 times Best Learning Experience winners from the Cake Masters magazine, otherwise known as the Cake Oscars. And Paul in 2022 became the People's Choice. So hugely proud of those achievements, and it's all voted for by the cake community, which is amazing. So one of the key things about Cakeflix is that we answer emails and our support emails 365 days a year, which we've been doing for 12 years, haven't we?
We have, and believe me, that we've been on holiday, we've been on airports, and he's always answering emails. It's ridiculous.
Don't argue, we're on camera. So it'd be lovely to welcome you to the Cakeflix family. We look forward to seeing you there, showing you what we've got, and we really want you to become a member and a friend.